Watch out! Yan, light blue.
Saan?
Yan, kalaban mismo. Yan, practice.
Wala yan, ano?
Wala yan.
Taon ba kahapon yan eh?
Nadidinig kayo sa video.
Okay nga yun eh. Ano kami mga... Si number 11 si ano?
Yeah.
So, Joey. Kami daw pagkain ah.
Everyday.
Mura lang lunch? Lunch pa lang?
Hindi naman. Wala naman tao dito naman.
Don't tell me.
Actually,
Okay.
bumalik na ako. Booking na lang sa hotel. Kasi, maiwan na ako sa legit. Kasi, shopping galore yung mga grupo na yun.
Kamusta naman yung arm ni Angela?
Kanina sumakit na naman ng konti ng umaga.
Oh, watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Tinamaan ka ng boy.
I know!
Concussion ka dyan.
Sinabi mo.
Tumakit ulit. Paano? Ano yung muscle strain, no?
Parang may naipit siguro. Kasi ang ganda ng hato, di ba?
Ang ganda ng hapon niya.
Yes.
Naka-home run yun?
Almost. Kasi konti-konti.
Pero
Oh, watch out ha. Ano, sunugin? Tutunugin ba anak? So,
What's the point in it? Unless gusto niya ito warm up.
si Mariana. Watch out!
boom! Nice yan. Hanap may mga special effect pa, mga watch out. Eh.
Sakit yan. Ano nga, gumugulong na tumama dito na parang.
Oo, sakit hindi kasi. Ano kaya ko?
Ah? Ganda ng field, no? Ganda ng main field nila, no? Ito ginawa lang to dahil yung anak niya dati naglalaro. Nung 19 kopong-kopong. Tapos yan, no? Ayan, ano yan, milk processing yan.
Mm.
Tampak ng Canada, ano?
Saan si Vergara? Yun o. Ayun, nakatalikod si Vergara.
Nagbating ka na? Yung bat speed mo ang kailangan mong baguhin. So, di ba, kada pitch lang, lapis ka. So, dalawang beses ka mag-swing para mahabol mo yung bat swing. Para mahabol mo yung bat speed. Yun ang inano ko. Rather than watching them na you go out, di ka naman tatawagin ng umpire. You go out, tapos swing, tapos go in. Kada pitch niya. Para makuha mo yung momentum ng speed mo. Go. Watch out! Pero yung uniform boy, babalik yan. Sayang nga.
Ibabalik? Dito?
Oo. Ang sa kanila lang nila yung pants.
Bakit ibabalik?
Ewan ko, sabi mo yun ang ano.
O di naman. Ayun ang sabi?
Oo.
Ayun, kaya naman kopya sa Pilipinas yun. Kasi mahal kasi paggawa ng uniform eh. Pero kahit na dapat yan, gusto ko.
Yung mga RV doon, doon na natin kasalahan nila kung tama. O mercy rule na, Fourth inning lang, Ito nagawa nila picture. Oh, watch out, watch out!
Kailangan pala, meron ka dito ano, no? Yung helmet talaga.
Coach!
Ang pinaka-importante.
Sino?
Itong aircon
Uy!
kasi home team to eh. Home team to.
Ang dami nga yata manonood din, daming kotse.
Kahapon ko walang konti lang.
Yun, eh. Kita mo lang na sang outfield doon. Sino na ba dyan? Lucia. Wala na tayo sa player sa outfield doon. Sino pa ba yun nandyan? Mariana.
Yun, ang galing naman nun. Who hit that? Mariana. Si Debbie.
Si Denny yun.
Elisa. Ito Felix, Elisa na.
Huh? Or no, you bat, and for example, you get on base. Oh, no, I don't like it. I hate it. Never mind. And then I go back.
It's all about winning. Look at the head. Did you not read the pledge? I don't care.
I'm gonna cry if I can't play the whole song. I mean, I'm losing my calf on it. So I have to use this. Watch out!
Wow!
Nice hit, Alisa.
Good one, ate.
Nice hit.
Nice one. Uy. Very good. Nice one. Ate, gloves daw. How come you're not wearing? You don't want? Gloves. Your gloves daw. Angela, how's your arm?
Okay. I don't know if I can bat. I'll try.
No, you will.
I want to.
Yeah, you will. Don't worry. Hit na hit, ang galing. Sana bili na nga.
Mura lang yan eh. Oo. Actually, meron akong Nike. Sinusuot ko pag
Bakit? Anong feeling mo?
feeling, I feel so empowered.
They're all nice. Lahat.
Nakakuha na nila yung bat nila,
7 pa lang.
ang nadadala. Doon tayo.
Doon sa bakante. Nakita ko nga ba't walang umupo doon eh.
Ano yun? Bakit?
Nakuberan yung field ni ano eh, yung fest.
Over here.
Camera?
from Willow Creek Little League in Beaverton, Oregon.
Home sila eh, home.
In the Philippines, they come from the Montalupa Little League in Montalupa, Philippines.
Mali nga spelling ng Philippines eh. Sa website, double L. Oo.
As I call your name, ladies, please come and exchange pins at home plate. Then take your positions in the pitcher's mound. Starting with the Asian Pacific team, their pitcher, Marides Uitiento. And the pitcher for Oregon District 4, Sydney Russick. The catcher from Asian Pacific, Jill San Juan. And from Oregon District 4, Emily Puddle. Playing first base from Asia Pacific, Kevin and Laxon. And from Oregon District 4, Madeline Jekyll. Playing second base from Asia Pacific, Lucia Lorenzo. And from Oregon District 4, Maya Macy. Playing third base from Asia Pacific, Keith Ferrer. And third base from Oregon District 4, Jenny Morning.
I'm sure Oregon
Playing shortstop from Asia Pacific, Monica Martinez. And from Oregon District 4, Emma Gordon.
Right there.
Playing left field from Asia Pacific, Angela Caligal.
Oh, so you guys are
And from
over there?
Oregon District 4, Sam Lay. Playing center field from Asia Pacific, Darlene Dolitas. And from Oregon District 4, Emma Williams. Playing right field from Asia Pacific, Vinny Mendoza. And from Oregon District 4, Isabella Carrino. The substitute from Asia Pacific, Mariana Reyes. And from Oregon District 4, Michaela Davis. From Asia Pacific, Alicia Vergara. And from Oregon District 4, Maddie Rowley. Introducing your coach. From Asia Pacific, Joy Lanty. And the coach from Oregon District 4, John Morton. And the coach from Asia Pacific, Fernando Posada. And from Oregon District 4, the coach, Brad Puddle. The manager from Asia Pacific, Esteban Laxon. And the manager of Oregon District 4, Matt Jekyll.